Let's talk about DevOps. A lot has been said about the idea of DevOps, another popular trend of Silicon Valley's tech culture, which is here for over a decade or so. Some call it a movement, some call it a mindset, and some say that DevOps is a prescription of culture. We can say that DevOps is essentially an environment based on agile and lean principles where business owners, development team, operations, and QA teams collaborate to deliver software in a continuous manner. DevOps is, of course, a short form for development and operations, but a sustainable and successful business is more than these two teams. So it's not a good idea to limit our perspective to these two while talking about the idea of DevOps. The Wikipedia definition of DevOps says that DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development, which is dev, and its operations, IT operations, ops. It aims to shorten the system development life cycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. DevOps is complementary to agile software development. Several DevOps aspects came from the agile way of working. On the second point, I would say DevOps shares many characteristics with the agile, especially with the focus on individuals, interactions, and collaboration. Some people wonder if DevOps is nothing but a rebranded agile. Well, DevOps has certainly grown around agile methodology, but it's more like that marketing campaign which has a broader reach that includes more than just developers. Or we can say DevOps adopts and extends agile principles and applies them to the entire organization, not only the development process. The reason why DevOps gained popularity in the recent years lies in the growth of tech startup culture too. As when it comes to tech startups, DevOps approach is a natural part of their environment because a startup team consists of few developers who are responsible for full delivery, which includes responsibility of operation as well. As a practice, DevOps certainly improves deployment frequency, which can lead to faster time to market, lower failure rate of new releases, shorten lead time between fixes, and faster mean time to delivery. Now, the question is what is the business case for adopting the DevOps? As DevOps improves the way that a business delivers value to its customer, suppliers, and partners, it is an essential business process, not just an IT capability. And that is what I found in a book called DevOps for Dummies that says that DevOps provides significant return on investment in three key areas: enhanced customer experience, increased capacity to innovate, and faster time to value. And this book is been written by the authors Sanjeev Sharma and Bernie Coyle. So, finally, for a very basic idea about the DevOps, we can conclude with the definition of DevOps shared by Jennifer Davis and Catherine Daniels in their book, which is a very good book to start with learning the DevOps. Effective DevOps, building a culture of collaboration, affinity, and tooling at scale. And there, the authors say that both the authors have put their point in a perspective very perfectly, where they said it is a part of the cultural weave that shapes how we work and why. Many people think about DevOps as a specific tools like Chef or Docker, but tools alone are not DevOps. What makes tools DevOps is the manner of their use, not fundamental characteristics of the tools themselves. And if you can notice, the authors have written the word DevOps in lowercase here. And this is why they put it throughout, this is the way they have put it in their book, throughout the book. And they have done it deliberately to highlight that DevOps is something inclusive to the culture of an organization, not something that is imposed upon it or something that is exclusive to the organization. That's all for a general understanding behind the idea of DevOps. More about DevOps and its cultural and technical aspects we'll discuss later.